Today, Bethany celebrates progress in our Steinway campaign. We are very thankful for the patrons who have contributed to our cause, and we have introduced 2 new pianos to our campus, Steinway manufactured.
I'm very excited to have these new practice pianos because the Steinway pianos produce sound that normally other pianos can't. And for those of us who want to continue our careers as pianists, it's very helpful to be able to explore the different sonorities of the instrument. And even for other majors, the new instruments are just a great asset for practicing and just exploring different aspects to music expressions.
It's a very exciting day again at Bethany because we have these 2 new pianos that were just delivered, and they are going to be workhorses, absolute workhorses for our department, the music department. Piano students, voice students, instrumentalists are going to be in there using those pianos all the time. The other thing is they're going to be it's something that all of the students on Bethany pretty much have access to as long as this building is open. So we'll have students playing them for recreational purposes as well. So this is a great day for us, and we look forward to more days like it.